just a second. Adjust. Okay. 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 I don't know how to command this GoPro. O, ito. O, tarungan na lang. Sa malalim. Doon. Tama. Ito lang yung kanan. Tumalungan na. Aligo na. Sos, seryoso. Uy, hindi ba mo tumalun si tatay? Sarap po. Libre pa masahe. O tayo. Saka nakakinggan yan. Just in the back of your garden. Kabuhay na pinay nyo ha. I will not exchange in subdivision or condominium this. Okay. Okay na, okay ah. After hard work of decorating and planting, you got this going and beautiful and different. What happened? This is our secret of keeping the water blue. This is an ultraviolet rays that we buy in Amazon. And this one, when we go to the water, in the water of the water, it kills all the bacteria. But normally we use it but it's so possible because we use the ultraviolet. Have you and we are planting plants around the swimming pool. This is a papaya. This is the exotic gabi. Alam mo tayong mahal nito dun sa bilihan. Alam mo sa ko dun na Neno? Doon sa harap ng bahay natin sa tabi ng Bayabas. Baka alam mo sa kanila. Sila nagtatanim doon. Hindi naman nila lupa yun eh. Lupa ko yun eh. Di ninilo ko. This is an iris. I like that. The flower iris. I want to put more and more plants. More reporting from Cavite. In the pool. I have to be careful because I have my GoPro. Will you help me? I have to be careful with my phone. I stay sensitive. Okay. Libre magkain. Natural swimming pool. Cost me $500,000. Upset. Who will die? I dive you there from there. So I can look if it is clear the water. You don't die? Okay, so the water. 1, 2, 3. si tatay busy, tanim ng tanim. Tanim, alam mo mahal kaya nito sa England, itong fortune, ano na to? This kind of plant is expensive in England. This is a fortune plant. Call it fortune. Mami, mahilig yan sa araw, matibay yan, di ba? Huwag na masyado, baka sumakit naman na yung kulog-gulok mo yan. Pagkaka ako naman magtatanim yan. Ay po kinadulas. Huwag no, look at my ano, oh. Special bagid. I love you. I love you. Wow, wow. Uy, nilagay na ano, naglagay ko ng tubig. Tignan mo, mag-tubig tayo. Yung po from the top. Light. What are you thinking about? Next year. I'm looking at your tattoo. Want to show up your tattoo? Show up your tattoo. Oh, this tattoo was made in Boracay. So how many weeks?
Moi, 3000, parce que je fais ici.
About 85. No. 5,000, you can keep on. No, look at that tattoo. Show up your dick. Can you show? I'm sorry. You look like a small boy. Show up, show up. Tatay, sipa, kaya maligo. Ito mo, bulit-bulit. Yourself a natural farm. Si tatay, tanim ng tanim. Tanim-tanim. Tatay, huwag mo subdivision. I have many mga putri. Where at sa bunga. Madilim din ngayon. Simple lang. Poor provincial. Puro halaman dito. Haliman dito. Habang yung mga kapusaan silo. Aswang silo. Despedida, despedida! Despedida! Tatalon si Babang! Wow! Picture, picture! 1, 2, 3! Okay. Dyan. Sige, picture lang. Popong eh. O, diba? Sarap. So, pakiyot, pakiyot. Pakiyot si Popong eh. Ang sarap. Habang si Kuya gumagawa ng si Frank. Kinukuha ko ng picture. Bahala kayo dyan. Mag-ingay kami. Para bibili ako ng cake. Giniginaw na si Dadan. Frank, look at my husband, Franz. He's making Franklin, naka naman galing ni Frank ka. We are making it, we will put a banik in here for the kids can have a privacy when they change clothes. We make a small, hangar, we will put a banik.